All right, guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to add tags to an actor and also do different things with those tags when you press a button. So, yeah, it's going to be fun, guys. We'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, in this episode, I'm going to show you how to reference actors and blueprints using tags. Now, and I've already showed you how you could do this in level blueprints. And if you go open like your level blueprint, it's just as simple as like clicking on an actor in the world and then creating a reference to that actor, you know, by just right clicking in the level blueprint. But you can't put everything inside the level blueprint. Sometimes you're going to need references to actors inside of your actual blueprint. So what we're going to do here is we're going to first, let's go to our character, our third person blueprints, third person character. And what we're going to do is we're just going to duplicate him and we're just going to create a dummy of him. So we'll just name him BP underscore dummy. Not dimmy, dummy. And he'll be our test dummy. All right, and just go ahead and save that. Open that. And let's just pull him out in the world. And then we just take this and we can just turn him around right here. And then we'll just, I want to duplicate him because I want to show y'all something a couple different ways. So we're going to make like 3 different versions of this dummy in the world. Okay. All right. Now, first thing I'm going to show you is how you can just, we'll make them all like play an animation. Okay. So let's open our third person character. Before we go any further, I want to save everything. And right below where we created our widget and our in our other tutorial on creating an animated widget, you can find that on the channel. Let's make another debug key, and this can just be like debug key L. All right. Now, what do we have right now? We have, let's compile this. All right, in the world, we have 3 dummies. Okay. All right. Now, say we all want these. We want these dummies to play in animation. So what we can do is just pull off here and we can search for get all actors of class. All right, and then at that point we're going to get our BP dummy, and then from the out actor, since we have multiple actors, we need to loop through each one of those. So we just pull from our out actors and we search for each loop. So for each actor of that loop body, we just want to play an animation. So let's search for play animation. All right, and we just want a regular play animation. Okay, we don't want it on the mesh. I hate that Unreal automatically does this now. Just delete that mesh off right there. Okay, and then from the array element here on the for each loop, just pull this out and it's going to go ahead and convert this on the mesh here. And then as far as the animation, let's just use this pistol animation right here and we'll make it looping. All right, so now if we compile and we save and we press play and we look out and then we press L, they all have this pistol animation. Okay, well, that's great. Well, what if we don't want, and we'll just move this. We'll leave this here just in case you want it, you know, for a reference for the Patreon members who get all these project files. I'll leave that there just in case you want, you know, a reference to all actors. And I'll do you one better. I'll go ahead and put a comment. Reference all actors of class. Okay. So there you go. Now you've got that in your third person blueprint. Go ahead and compile that. All right, so say I don't want all of these, you know, to draw the pistol. Say I just want, say, guy in the middle. All right, so what we're going to do here, if you go over here, as you can see, I've already got it in, but I'll show you. If you go over here and like click the one you want, right now we're going to click the one in the middle, and we're going to search for tags. Okay, and down here at the bottom it says actor advanced tags 0 array element. Just press this button here, and our tag is just going to be, will just be pistol. Okay, and just right click and copy that. And the reason being is this tag has to be exactly what we use here in a second, and I'll show you. All right, now why not just go straight into the blueprint of the dummy and put it in there? Because we don't want every single one of these to have this tag. And they're already placed in the world, so, you know, we already have it on here. So let's just leave it that way. All right, so look, the one on the left, it doesn't have a tag. The one in the center, it has this pistol tag, and the one on the right, it doesn't have a tag. All right, and this is what we want, because we want to get this actor of this class only by his tag. So what we can do now is go back to our third person character, and we just pull off here. Instead of getting actors of class, we want to get actors, all actors of class with tag. Okay? And this is for the class of actors. Now, there's also another node you can use too that will work in this situation, which is just all actors with tag, and that works too. But just for the sake of showing you how to get specific classes by their tag, you know, we got 3 dummies here. They're all the same class, but we only want the ones that has that tag. So under class, we just put in BP dummy, because that is the class of them. And as you can see right here from what we done referencing all actors, we had to loop through each one of them. Well, this one, if you had more than one, you would need to loop, but we don't, we only have one. So from where we copied our tag, just go over here and paste it in there, make sure it's exact. And just for good practice, we'll loop it just in case. But there's only one, so we don't have to do it, but we might play with that in a minute. So for each loop here of that, then we're just going to copy this animation here. I'm going to bring it down here, and then we're just going to plug that into our array element. All right, so now if we compile and we save and we press play, and we go back over here and we press L, it should only be the guy in the center. And as you can see, it is. It's only him in the center. Why? Because he is the only one who has that pistol tag. All right, so if we go over here now, and since we're looping, and we get the guy here to the left, you know, he doesn't have a tag. Now, if we go ahead and we add this tag to, oh, not that. Let me go back over here and copy it again. Grab our pistol. If we go over here now and we go ahead and add this tag to him, and we save this and we press play now, and then go press L, now they both have it. And that's pretty much as simple as it is. That's how you can get your actors by tag. And if you want to, I'll show you one more thing with this, and just for fun, let's see, we'll do the actual get all actors. And yeah, I'll go ahead and reference this for you guys too. So let me copy this here, and then in this comment we'll do, I can click on it, this comment, we'll do reference all actors of class by tag. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to come down here, and we're going to just copy these 2 nodes right here, and we'll bring these down just to make this a little bit quicker, and we'll disconnect this, and we'll just pull off here, and we're just going to search all actors with tag. So now this kind of cuts out if any class of actors have it, and I'm going to show you that here in a second. Same thing, just plug this in here, plug this in here, and then plug this in. Well, first we got to put a tag in there. So And we'll go ahead and put this pistol tag in here. Alright. And that should... Actually, we may have to get them, yeah, gets a copy. Let's see. I don't know why I'm not seeing my get a copy. Okay, no, we're not going to loop, sorry. Okay, we just pull straight from here and we search get, and then we just plug this directly in here. If it will let me plug it directly in. Okay, I don't know why. This was doing this to me earlier too. You know what? We'll do one better. Instead of playing animation, we'll just get all the actors with that pistol and we'll just destroy them. But in order to do that, I'm pretty sure we have to loop through them first. So let's go ahead and for each loop, let's get all the actors with the tag pistol and then let's destroy those actors. All right. So now we compile, we save, we press play, and if you got the tag pistol, then you're gone. All right, and you can do this, and let me show you. I don't want to move our Manny over here, but let's do something else here. What do we have? We have this thing here. Let's go ahead and duplicate it, and let's slot it over here so it's just in view. And and if we go over here and we add this pistol tag to it, I think I still got it copied. Yep. And we press play. When we press L, see it's gone too. So that's a couple things you guys can do. I hope this has helped you. I'll go ahead and comment with this as well for you. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. We've got a lot of tutorials coming up. We're going to start our intermediate series. It looks like we're going to be continuing our beginner series with that. So make sure you guys have hit that notification bell. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.